Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a BMW M4 from cardboard. First, gather your materials: sturdy cardboard, a sharp craft knife, a cutting mat, and strong adhesive. You'll also need a ruler, pencil, and a printed template of the BMW M4. Make sure your template is scaled correctly to achieve the desired size for your model. A good starting size might be around 12 inches long. Always work in a well-ventilated area with good lighting for safety and precision. Now, let's start cutting and assembling the main body. Carefully trace all the template pieces onto your cardboard, paying close attention to detail. Use your craft knife to cut out each piece precisely. Remember, accuracy here makes a big difference in the final look. Begin by gluing the main chassis and floor panel together. Then, attach the side panels and the roof, using clamps or tape to hold them in place while the glue dries. Allow ample drying time for each section to ensure a robust structure. With the main body complete, it's time to add the intricate details that bring your BMW M4 to life. Cut out smaller pieces for the bumpers, grille, side mirrors, and headlights. These elements truly define the car's iconic look. For the wheels, cut several circular cardboard pieces and layer them to create thickness, then glue them together. You can even add a small axle for them to spin. Securely attach the finished wheels to the car's chassis, ensuring they are evenly spaced and aligned. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your cardboard BMW M4. You can smooth any rough edges with sandpaper, and then apply a coat of paint or a clear protective spray for a polished look. Consider adding interior details like seats or a steering wheel for extra realism. This project is a fantastic way to express your creativity and build something unique. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed during your next crafting adventure. Enjoy your amazing new cardboard car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.